Embarking on a road trip with your furry friend can make for unforgettable adventures, but it also requires careful planning, especially when it comes to transportation. Fortunately, many companies now cater to pet owners, offering pet-friendly car rental options to ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey for both you and your four-legged companion. In this guide, we'll explore everything you need to know about renting a car with pets, from finding pet-friendly rental companies to making your road trip with dogs a tail-wagging success. Finding pet-friendly car rentals. When searching for the perfect rental car for your road trip with dogs, it's essential to choose a pet-friendly rental company. Start by researching rental companies that explicitly advertise pet-friendly policies. Many major rental chains now offer pet-friendly options, but it's always best to confirm with the company directly to understand their specific pet policies and any associated fees. Look for rental companies that prioritize pet safety and comfort, offering amenities such as pet-friendly seating options and easy-to-clean interiors. Preparing your pet for the journey before hitting the road is crucial to ensure your pet is comfortable and prepared for the journey ahead. Start by familiarizing your pet with the car and taking short practice drives to help them acclimate to the experience. For longer road trips, consider scheduling a visit to the veterinarian to ensure your pet is up to date on vaccinations and is healthy enough for travel. Additionally, pack a travel kit for your pet, including essentials such as food, water, bowls, bedding, toys, and any necessary medications. Don't forget to bring along your pet's leash, collar with ID tags, and a recent photo in case they become lost during the trip. Tips for a smooth ride. Once you're on the road, there are several tips to keep in mind to ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey for you and your pet. Secure your pet safely in the car using a pet harness, carrier, or pet-specific seatbelt to prevent distractions and ensure their safety in case of sudden stops or accidents. Keep your pet comfortable and relaxed during the journey by providing plenty of breaks for bathroom breaks, hydration, and stretching. Plan your route with pet-friendly pit stops along the way, including rest areas, parks, and pet-friendly accommodations where your pet can stretch their legs and burn off energy. Keeping your rental car clean. While most rental companies allow pets in their vehicles, they typically require renters to return the car in a clean and odor-free condition. To avoid any additional cleaning fees, take proactive steps to minimize messes during the trip. Use a pet seat cover or blanket to protect the car's upholstery from scratches, shedding, and accidents. Pack pet-friendly cleaning supplies such as stain and odor removers to quickly clean up any spills or accidents that may occur along the way. Be sure to vacuum the car's interior and remove any traces of pet hair or debris before returning the rental car to the rental company. Conclusion: with careful planning and preparation, renting a car and embarking on a road trip with your pet can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. By choosing a pet-friendly rental company, preparing your pet for the journey, and following these tips for a smooth ride, you can create lasting memories and unforgettable adventures with your furry companion by your side. So pack up your pet's travel essentials, buckle up, and hit the open road for a tail-wagging road trip adventure.